Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations here at Lovely Skin.
And I'm Jill, the Content Manager.
And today we're here to unbox for you the new SkinMedica HA5 Hydra Collagen Replenish and Restore Hydrator.
So this is clinically proven to visibly improve skin health and hydration. It visibly plumps skin, and it targets natural hyaluronic acid production to deliver both immediate and long-lasting hydration. Plus, patients report looking about 3 years younger by week 12.
Wow. Now this formula is a little different than the original formula. It offers 48 hours of hydration versus the 24 hours in the original formula. It supports the DEJ, or dermal epidermal junction. They've removed silicone found in the original formula and enhanced the texture from a silky gel to a lightweight cream to water serum.
It's so soft, I must say.
Yes, I do love it.
So the ingredient list for this is pretty cool. It builds on the original VitaSense technology by combining antioxidants, peptides, and polysaccharides with vitamin F and passion fruit seed oil to enhance your skin's ability to replenish its own hyaluronic acid content, biohumectants, and hydration-boosting collagens. It also has 2 times more hyaluronic acid than the previous formulation, and it contains Hydra Collagen, which is a vegan collagen that attracts and retains water for instant hydration and smoothness.
Wow, that is an ingredient-packed formula. Thank you so much for joining us today.
For more product unboxings and tutorials, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.